All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you some questions. What is your favorite subject and why?
Well, my favorite subject is computer science. Uh, I like this subject since my childhood because
I have always liked this subject since my childhood. Present perfect tense. Repeat.
uh, I
I
have
have always
I have always
liked this
liked
subject
this
since
subject
my childhood.
since my childhood because I was a computer guy and I love to explore things about computers. That's why I like this subject.
Okay. When did you start studying this subject?
Uh, as I mentioned earlier, that since my childhood, that I like this subject because the things which I liked about it to explore the online internet things and all that. That's why I like this subject.
Okay. Uh, would you like to study this subject in the future also?
Yes, most certainly I would like to pursue this subject in my future because I want to take it to further, like to explore more things about new technologies and all that. That's why.
Okay. Is there any subject which is difficult for you?
Uh, I think coding is the main subject in this field that I found it most difficult because you need to understand the basic points of it to understand to go in deep. So that's why it is most difficult.
All right, thank you. Overall answers are good, but just try to speak confidently,
Okay.
improve your voice,
Okay.
means increase your volume a little, and then you'll be fine with
Okay,
that,
sir.
right? Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. Okay, your topic is about holidays, and my first
Sure.
question is where did you go for your last holidays?
Well, I like to spend most of time with my friends. So for the last holiday, we went for to visit some historical places like in Naran. So we planned a tour for the Naran Valley. And we visited many places and enjoyed there a lot.
And enjoyed there a lot.
And
Very
enjoyed
good,
there a
that's a
lot.
good start. Do you like holidays?
Yes, I like holidays because after a long routine of the work, when you have a holiday, you can relax, and after that, you will be more energetic to perform your work.
Okay. Which public holiday do you like the most?
Well, public holiday I like the most is Eid ul Fitr after the Ramzan because it's a time when we have performed religiously, and after that time we have enough time to spend with our friends and families. We have a lot of fun. We visit our friends and enjoy their meals a lot. So that's why I like this holiday a lot.
Okay, what do you usually do on weekend?
Well, on weekend, after a long routine of my work, I usually stay calm, spend my time with my families and with friends. So at every Saturday night,
On every Saturday night,
on
Saturday night,
on every Saturday night,
not Satur, Satur.
Saturday, and every Saturday night, I plan with my friends, and we visit our famous restaurant for meat.
All right. Overall, your answers are very good. Keep it up. Focus your fluency,
Okay, sir.
right, and variety of ideas. Next one, please. All right. Please put it closer to you. Yes, a little more. जैसे मैंने ये रखा हुआ है, इतने से distance पे. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Do you like flowers?
Yes, of course. I like many flowers, but my favorite flower is uh,
My favorite flower is rose. I
rose.
like rose very much. Red rose is my most favorite.
Most
Carry on.
flowers is
Yeah, बोलना है बस बोलते जाना है.
yeah. Of course, my
Okay.
favorite flower is rose. I like the rose
I like rose very much,
very
and
much.
on different occasions, I gift rose to my friends or sometimes to my colleagues. Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's go on. Are there any flowers which are important in your country?
Yes, of course, very important for my country because the the heavy traffic in all over the roads and pollution.
The topic is flowers.
Yeah,
So, are there any flowers which are important in your country?
because for the beauty in our cities, for the beauty, very important flowers
Flowers are very important for the beauty,
in our city
especially in the parks and gardens. We
gardens.
should have different flowers like that.
and outside the roads, side the.
Okay. Have you ever planted any flowers?
Yes, I planted the sun. I planted the flower, it's a rose in my garden and my house and my farmhouse and in my village. Overall, my village decides.
Okay, you're doing a lot of repetition. In my house, in my garden, in my farmhouse, in my village. That's not a sentence even. That's only phrase. So try to communicate in proper sentences.
Okay.
If you only communicate with words or phrases, that will be the reason for low band score. So try to make complete sentences for that. Okay, have you ever sent flowers to anyone as a gift?
Yes, the rose, red rose sent.
I once sent red roses to.
I went.
I once sent
I once sent.
red roses to my friend. It was his birthday. On
Birthday.
his birthday, I sent him a beautiful bouquet of red roses, and he liked that very much. So you need to come up with ideas and all that. Okay? All right. Thank you.